In today's episode, we will learn how to talk at the doctor in English. Going to the doctor can feel stressful, but using simple English can help you explain your problem and feel more confident. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. Going to the doctor. We go to the doctor when we are sick or not feeling well. You can say, I need to see a doctor. I have a doctor's appointment. I am not feeling well. For example, I need to see a doctor. I am not feeling well today. Part 2. Talking about how you feel. At the doctor, you talk about your feelings. You can say, I feel sick. I feel weak. I feel tired. For example, I feel sick today. I feel very tired recently. Part 3. Talking about pain. Pain is a common topic. You can say, I have pain. It hurts. I am in pain. For example, I have pain in my back. It hurts here. You can also say, the pain is strong. The pain is mild. Part 4. Talking about where it hurts. You can say, my head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. My throat hurts. For example, my head hurts. My stomach hurts. Part 5. Talking about symptoms. Symptoms are signs of sickness. You can say, I have a fever. I have a cough. I have a headache. For example, I have a fever. I have a headache. You can also say, I feel dizzy. I feel nauseous. Part 6. Talking about how long you feel sick. Doctors often ask how long. You can say, I've been sick for 2 days. I've felt this way since yesterday. It started last week. For example, I've been sick for 2 days. It started last week. Part 7. Answering doctor's questions. The doctor may ask, how do you feel? Where does it hurt? When did it start? You can answer simply. For example, I feel sick. It hurts here. It started yesterday. Part 8. Asking questions at the doctor. You can also ask questions. You can say, what is wrong with me? Is it serious? What should I do? For example, what should I do now? Is it serious? Part 9. Talking about medicine. Doctors may talk about medicine. You can say, I take medicine. I need medicine. I take pills. For example, I take medicine every day. You can also say, I need a prescription. Part 10. Talking about allergies. You can say, I have allergies. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to dust. For example, I have allergies. I'm allergic to penicillin. Part 11. Talking about tests and checks. Sometimes doctors do tests. You can say, I need a test. The doctor checked me. I had a blood test. For example, the doctor checked me. Part 12. Talking about rest and recovery. Doctors often say to rest. You can say, I need rest. I should rest. I need to stay home. For example, I need to rest. I should stay home. Part 13. Polite and calm language. It's okay to speak slowly. You can say, please speak slowly. I'm learning English. Can you repeat that? For example, can you repeat that, please? Part 14. Daily life examples. At the clinic. I have an appointment. I am waiting to see the doctor. With the doctor. I feel sick. It hurts here. After the visit. I need medicine. I need rest. Part 15. Gentle encouragement. Going to the doctor can feel scary, but simple English is enough. You do not need perfect English. Doctors want to help you. It's okay to say, I don't understand. Please explain. Please speak slowly. These sentences are simple and helpful. Now you know how to talk at the doctor in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them in real life. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk at the office in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.